What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox now. Today I have with me Makibes ID107 Plus HR, and this is a smartwatch, and this is a heart rate monitor, this is fitness tracker. You can track your daily activities from this, and it has so many functions compared to other smartwatch on the market right now, and is the base budget under $25 US. So you can control your you can take pictures with it, you can control your music, you can have call alert on it, you can receive calls from it, and breathing guide, alarm and timer. So here is the pack, and let's open the pack. So after opening the pack, we have got the smart band. It's black color, you can see, and in the box we have got the user manual fully in English, the watch and the user manual, and nothing else, no charger. And this is the black version, and the strap is made of silicone, very soft and very comfort. It will feel very comfort in hand. So let's peel off the sticker. So you can see it has one capacity button, and in the bottom we have got the heart rate sensor, and here it shows open. That means you can separate the tracker from the band. Oh, this is the charger. They have included no charger. You can charge it by plug into any adapter. After plugging into adapter, it opens, and it's showing, and you can see this is the touch screen display, and the little circle, this is the capacity button, will work as the back button, and you can see it's touch screen. So here is the wrist flip option. You can, if you turn on, if you flip your wrist, and it will show the time. And this is the remote to the camera. You can take pictures by tapping this. And this is the Bluetooth, and this is the heart rate, continuous heart rate tracking. So let's put into the band. And you can see I have ID107 in my hand, and this is ID107 Plus. This is the previous model, and this is the latest model. And you can see there are much difference from the two. The ID107 has a button, and it don't have any button. It all touch screen, and you can see its display is much bigger than the previous version, and the design is a little bit different. In the first step, you will get into this mode, heart rate, state, calorie burning, distance and minute. And in the training mode, we have got walk, run, bike, treadmill, hike, workout, basketball and badminton. So many modes, training modes. And in the more option, we have got 5 watch faces. You can change, and you can see these watch faces weather information, and that's very good, I think. It has 5 watch faces, and good to see that. And this watch feels very good in hand, and I think this is the best budget smart band you can buy right now. And it has so many functions, and I think it will be best for you. And this is our video. Thanks for watching, and hope you like this, and please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, to the next one. Till then, tata.